Multi-tiered systems of support, evidence-based practices for school climate team use. The school climate team works in a cyclical pattern starting by establishing school-wide policies, procedures, and practices. Next, the school climate team monitors fidelity and outcome data at least monthly to determine effectiveness and areas of continued growth. This helps ensure the continual improvement of policies, procedures, and practices. After the problems are identified, the team will make data-based decisions to drive the decisions and the direction of the framework. This will allow for an improvement of implementation and best practices. You will learn more about effective uses of data in later lessons. Ultimately, the goal of a school climate team is to create a system where educators develop positive, predictable, and safe environments that promote strong interpersonal relationships with students through teaching, modeling, and encouragement. We know through trauma research, children need these types of environments to begin healing and develop hope and resilience. And when students develop social-emotional skills, behavioral competence, and support, they are able to begin seeing a future and setting goals. School climate teams will positively impact the climate of your school community and, in time, the entire culture. In education, there will always be new research, initiatives, curriculums, and programs. Even if a school wanted to try a new initiative or program, it would come down to what the school system could sustain with its given financial and human capital. Again, it's important to remember that a school climate team should review, evaluate, and implement evidence-based practices that align with school and district learning goals. The school climate team considerations: alignment and integration of evidence-based practices, how the practice or initiative aligns with school district's goals and missions, find commonalities in evidence-based practices, how philosophical and perspectives can differ when implementing practices, the overall focus on meeting students' needs, and is the practice equitable and sustainable. The school climate team should remember to align initiatives in a way that complement additional evidence-based practices implemented already at the school. Practices should be integrated in such a way that the practices build a strong, supportive system that is parallel or that align into one framework. In this example of the framework, we see each board plays an equally important part in the structure and contributes to the overall outcome of building a well-supported school climate. To learn more about positive behavior interventions and supports, please click the link that will take you to pbis.org.